If you are struggling with having not enough sleep because your baby keep waking up at night, this video will explain how to get baby to sleep at night so that you can have a good night's sleep. Being a stressed, sleep-deprived new mom is not fun at all. I know this because strangely enough I did it 3 times. Most of the time this happens because your baby consistently wakes through the night. Getting baby to sleep can be successfully achieved using these 3 magic tricks. The first trick. One of the best ways to get your baby to relax before going to bed is to change your bathing routine. You will know yourself that having a bath takes the worries of the day away. It makes and helps you to relax, and it warms your body regardless of the weather conditions. Your baby will feel the same way. Changing your bathing schedule is one of the best ways to calm your baby before bedtime. You can also get some natural bathing aids to further relax your baby. Obviously, you need to carefully check the ingredients on the bottles, but most of the larger manufacturers who already make baby bath products are your best choices available. The second trick. Make sure your baby gets enough sleep during the day. Too often, especially with newborn babies, friends and family members will have a tendency to wake your baby. I know everyone gets clucky about and around new babies. I am the same, and you probably are too. But it will not do you any favors to allow your visitors to wake your baby. If he or she becomes overtired by the end of the day, you and your baby will pay dearly. Firmly let your visitors know that your baby cannot be woken up yet. You can tell them what time he or she is due to wake. That way it gives your visitor the option to visit you at a more appropriate time of the day. Most people will understand. For the ones who do not, the next time your baby is awake during the early hours of the morning, give them a phone call, and I am more than sure they will get the general idea then. The third trick. There are many sleep aids that you can have today as well. I have compiled all the effective resources and you can get it too by joining my newsletter. If you would like more help with ways to get your baby to sleep well, join my newsletter. You will get tips to get your baby to sleep well, free ebook, baby sleep solution audio program, secrets of the supermom, parenting with minor, special offers, and many more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more regular tips and update.